Hi guys, welcome to my channel Daniel here in Dublin. If I'm vlogging from the bed, that means I just wake up right now and you will spend the day with me. It's 6:30 in the morning and I have a good few things to do before I'm going to work at 1 o'clock. First thing is my washing machine. It stopped working and someone from agency will be here this morning to check or fix or change the washing machine. Why I'm waiting or not, we will see. Next thing, I need to go to the gym and we will see what's going on after. Maybe some cleaning, maybe some shopping, but I want to do something really productive before I'm going to work. Welcome to my channel and you are more than welcome. Spend a day with me today. Washing machine it stopped working yesterday. Unfortunately, I have a million towels through my gym. Why I really need this washing machine as soon as possible. When I did the gym 2-3 years ago, I bought lots of microfiber towels. This one in Primark, and I don't know, they are for like €3, €5, but they are really good. And I have around 40, maybe 50, maybe 60, lots. I don't remember how many, but lots. For sure 2 per day for month probably. And until I have these towels, I don't really care because I can do laundry next month if I need. But if everything will be dirty, I have two choices. First, go to the public washing machine, what I don't really want, or buy more. Probably I will bought more. This machine just taking water and start working, but after water it's still there and everything is wet and it's not working. And filter and everything, it's clean, everything is fine. It's error A or I20, what means it's no connection between the main processor and the pump. I don't know why it's happened, but it's happened. Hopefully will be fixed very soon. It's very breezy, oh, and I'm only with t-shirt and shorts. Maybe beach will be not bad idea, but I always can wear something more warm. Oh yeah, I bought on TK Maxx yesterday or 2 days ago a hoodie, very warm with army style, super cute. My friend says it's a Moro ship. Looks really, it's very cozy and look like the army stuff. Yeah, I can wear this one. That shortcut for my gym, it looks very dangerous and very dark, but actually that's the way for the post office where you're collecting your stuff. It's very busy because people walking here all the time. I'm surprised this looks so ugly. I'm already at the gym, I'm just leaving my stuff and I'm going upstairs to do exercises, but I'm not taking camera with me. It's no permission to make the videos there, and maybe I can ask someone to do, but not this day. Another time. Wish me luck with a good strong training and see you soon. Gym's done, I'm tired like hell. And it's getting rain, but hopefully in the Britas Bay will be nice weather. It's 10 o'clock and I decide to go just for a walk on the beach. Why not? I just don't want to lose the time to do only gym and come back home and eat and wait until I'm going home. But seriously, getting rain now. So weather getting bad, but from one side it's rain, from other side it's blue sky. Hopefully will be nice weather on the beach. Like, doesn't matter if it's no rain, will be cool. But I still want to go if I decide
to go and something tell me go to the beach, I need to go, and probably I will have a really good sun there.